Joseph, why couldn't we take the car? Oh, come on. Cars are so cheap. Subways are way better. But where are we even going? Say that to Smarty Pants. We're gonna go to the Bronx. But why to the Bronx? We're in Florida.
Oops, sorry about that.
Anyways, Joseph, you didn't do my homework. Sorry, dude, it was too hard. Oh, come on, Joseph. I trusted you since Chip didn't let me... You've gotta be kidding me. Bubbles, stop farting. You're embarrassing us.
Sorry, I couldn't hold it in.
You should have went to the bathroom before we left.
Well, I didn't need to go.
That's just plain nasty. As I was saying, Chip didn't let me...
Sorry again.
When will the ride be over?